right, so let's walk in. This is Wilderness Lodge. We are in room 618. You'll have to forgive me for just jumping right in. I was trying to get past my toddler. So, door, as soon as you come in, then we have closet. And I'm guessing we have an accessible room because I noticed there's 2 eye holes. The closets, and then, oh, awesome. Everything's right there. Ooh, a steamer, hair dryer, perfect. All right. Here's the bathroom. Okay, yeah, we definitely have an accessible room. It's really nice. Toiletries mounted. Yes, toiletries are mounted in here. This is our first time staying at Wilderness Lodge, so we're super happy. And there's a full-length mirror. We've also got Bambi, an owl, coffee maker. Ooh, all kinds of stuff in there. This is a club level room, so it already comes stocked, I guess. But that's a first since COVID, so that's awesome. And then would you look at this room? This is darling. This is absolutely darling. It's got like a woods motif. I love that above the outlets it says cabins. I love that the beds are lowered, and I know that that's probably because it's an accessible room, but having a toddler, this is so much easier for her to get in the bed. So that's gonna be fantastic. They already have WDW Today playing. I guess they haven't switched over to the smart TVs yet. Ooh, fresh fruit and chocolate. Yes. Well, this is just a blessing. I love this room. I love that chair. Oh, and then the table that comes out so you can eat. Another mirror for getting ready. Let's see if there's any hidden Mickeys on the curtains. I don't see any. But let's check out this view. I love that. Okay, so. Okay, so you push out to go out here. Oh my gosh. It's the castle. I had no idea this was a castle view room. Oh my gosh, this is awesome with the monorail. There's the contemporary. Ah, that's the horn. Okay, sorry, I'm a little excited. Okay, well, this room has made my day. Let me go ahead and zoom back out. I know you guys are probably thinking, nerd, get back in the room and do the room tour. Ooh, I like that light over there. Of course, we've got the phone and all that jazz. I am obsessed with this room. It is so nice. There's so much room, and I don't know if it's because this is an accessible room, but there's a lot of floor space, which is really great since there's not any room for under the bed for the luggage. We can totally put our luggage over in this big space area over here. But yeah, this is super magical, and I think I'm gonna live in this room. All right, this is again room 6018 at the Wilderness Lodge, May 2022. I know this stay is gonna be magical. I hope you all have a wonderful and magical day. Thank you.